Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. And sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. I've heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me. Emily Dickinson. The beauty of hope. I cannot endure to waste anything so precious as autumnal sunshine by staying in the house, so I have spent almost all the daylight hours in the open air. Nathaniel Hawthorne. Hello, my friends. I just wanted to share something peaceful, beautiful, and happy with you. I think we all need that. I also want to say a heartfelt thank you to so many of you for your words of encouragement, prayers, and your willingness to help out our neighbors here in Southern Appalachia. It has been amazing to see the good things happening here in the midst of so much sorrow, and you continue to play a big role in that. I will link again some organizations that are here helping if you would like to donate. As for our family, we have been busy trying to clean up around our property. Daddy and I dug potatoes and got them in the cellar, and I have started to clean up the garden for winter. I scrubbed most of the mud off the porches and just wanted to share how I had decorated for fall. Most of it I had done before the storm. I had already made some pillow covers out of fabric I had, so I just gathered some leaves, all the gourds and pumpkins I grew in the garden, and a few marigolds and wildflowers. And I just love how happy it all feels in the beautiful autumn light. These little things bring me so much joy, and I think it's important to find joy because it motivates me to keep hope alive and to keep moving forward. I love this quote from Edith Schaefer's book, The Hidden Art of Homemaking. Remember that He who created you to be creative gave you the things with which to make beauty and gave you the sensitivity to appreciate and respond to His creation. Creativity is His gift to you, and the raw materials to be put together in various ways are His gift to you as well. Like I always say, use what you have and make it pretty. To everything there is a season, a time for every purpose under heaven. Ecclesiastes 3:1.